Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're planning a home renovation, you've probably faced the big tile debate: ceramic versus porcelain. They look similar, but which one is truly better for your project? Let's break it down so you can choose with confidence. So, what's the difference? It all starts with how they're made. Both are clay-based, but porcelain is made from a finer, denser clay and fired at much higher temperatures. This process makes it less porous and way more durable than most ceramic tiles. Think of it like this: ceramic is like a sturdy cake, while porcelain is more like a dense, tough biscotti. This difference in density is key. Because ceramic is more porous, it absorbs more water. That makes it less ideal for super wet areas like shower floors, unless it has a high-quality glaze. Porcelain, on the other hand, barely absorbs any water, talking less than 0.5%, making it a champion for bathrooms and kitchens. When it comes to durability, porcelain wins again. It's tougher, less likely to chip, and stands up better to heavy foot traffic. Ceramic is a bit softer, which actually has a hidden benefit: it's easier to cut and install. This makes it a great choice for DIY projects, accent walls, or backsplashes where you don't need that heavy-duty strength. Now, let's talk money. Generally, ceramic tiles are more budget-friendly, both for the tiles themselves and for installation. Since they're easier to work with, porcelain often costs more and requires a more skilled installer with special tools, which can add to the final bill. So, which tile goes where in your home? For high-traffic wet areas like bathroom floors, kitchen floors, and even outdoor patios, porcelain is your best bet. It can handle moisture, heavy use, and even freezing temperatures without a problem. For areas with less foot traffic, like bedroom floors, or vertical surfaces like kitchen backsplashes and decorative walls, ceramic is an excellent and cost-effective choice. It offers a huge variety of colors and designs, so you don't have to sacrifice style for savings. Before you buy, always check the pay rating. That's a scale for hardness and durability. For most home floors, you'll want a rating of at least 3 or 4. So, the final verdict? If I had to pick one all-around winner for durability and versatility, it's porcelain. It's built to last in the toughest spots. But don't count ceramic out. It's a fantastic, affordable option for the right applications. It's not about which tile is better overall, but which is better for your specific project and budget. I hope this helped clear things up. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement tips. Let me know in the comments which tile you're choosing for your next project. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.